Hello guys and welcome back. We have some exciting news to share today. We'll be introducing you to a new toolkit and runtime for JavaScript that can replace everything you've used before, Node.js itself, transpilers, bundlers, testing libraries, and package managers.
No.
Additionally, this runtime is 5 times faster than Node.js in React server-side rendering, 4 times faster with databases, and 6 times faster with WebSockets.
Wow.
Package installation is nearly 30 times faster than with NPM, and tests run 20 times faster. Watch this video until the end to learn how to get started with this toolkit. Node.js problems. In the ever-evolving world of web development, speed, efficiency, and seamless workflows are paramount. Since its inception in 2009, Node.js rapidly gained popularity for its server-side performance and compatibility with front-end JavaScript, simplifying the development of full-stack applications. However, over time, layers and layers of tooling have accumulated on top of each other and led to a slow and complicated workflow for developers with a slow modules installation, long-running tests and complicated builds. What if I told you that there is a new toolkit that has just appeared, making our lives much easier? Enter Bun.js, a game-changing all-in-one toolkit designed to make your JavaScript and TypeScript projects faster and more manageable than ever before. With its incredible speed, elegant APIs, and comprehensive tool set, Bun.js is set to redefine the way developers work with JavaScript. Released on September 8, 2023, Bun 1.0 is a game-changer in the world of JavaScript development. Now it is finally stable and production-ready. The need for speed. One of Bun.js' standout features is its unparalleled speed. In a world where milliseconds matter, Bun.js takes the lead with its lightning-fast performance. It builds on JavaScript Core, the same high-performance JavaScript engine that powers Safari. This foundation makes it ideal for modern computing, especially as edge computing gains traction in the tech world. Bun.js doesn't just start fast, it stays fast throughout your development process. Elegant APIs for streamlined development. Bun.js is all about making common development tasks a breeze. It offers a minimal set of highly optimized APIs that allow you to perform tasks like starting an HTTP server and writing files with elegance and efficiency. This simplicity in its APIs ensures that developers can focus on coding, not wrestling with complex frameworks or tools. A complete toolkit for JavaScript apps. One of the standout aspects of Bun.js is that it's not just a runtime, it's a complete toolkit. Developers can harness its power as a bundler, test runner, and Node.js compatible package manager. This cohesive approach means that you can manage your entire JavaScript project with a single, powerful tool, eliminating the need to switch between different applications and services. Node.js compatibility without the hassle. Bun.js was designed to be a drop-in replacement for Node.js. It natively implements hundreds of Node.js and web APIs, including FS, Path, and Buffer, among others. This compatibility ensures that you can transition to Bun.js smoothly without having to rewrite your codebase. Faster dependency management. Dependency management is a critical part of any JavaScript project, and Bun.js takes it to the next level. It installs your project's dependencies into Node_modules with incredible speed, thanks to its use of the fastest system calls available on each operating system. This means you can spend less time waiting for installations and more time coding. Efficient workspaces. For those working with monorepos, Bun.js has you covered. It seamlessly supports workspaces out of the box, reading the workspaces key from your package.json and installing dependencies for your entire monorepo. This streamlines development in complex project structures. Global install cache. Bun.js introduces a global install cache, allowing you to download a specific version of a package from NPM once and use it across multiple projects. This cache significantly reduces redundancy and speeds up installations. Binary lock file for lightning-fast read and parse. Bun.js doesn't just stop at performance improvements during installation, it also optimizes lock files. Instead of using JSON or YAML-based lock files, Bun.js creates a binary bun.lock block file. This format enhances the speed and efficiency of reading and parsing dependency information. Familiar CLI for easy adoption. Bun.js understands the importance of a smooth transition. Its command line interface, CLI, is user-friendly, with commands and flags that will feel instantly familiar to users of NPM, PNPM, or Yarn. This familiarity ensures that developers can get up to speed with Bun.js quickly and seamlessly integrate it into their workflows. Supercharged Test Runner. Bun.js doesn't just excel in project setup and management, it's also a powerhouse test runner. When it comes to running tests, Bun.js leaves the competition in the dust. Compared to other test runners, Bun.js boasts astonishingly fast startup times, making your test suites run at breakneck speeds. Jest-compatible syntax. If you're already using Jest, transitioning to Bun.js is a breeze. Bun.js provides a Jest-style expect API, allowing you to switch to Bun.js testing without making any code changes. This compatibility ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of Bun.js without overhauling your testing setup. Lifecycle hooks, snapshot testing, and more. Bun.js goes the extra mile when it comes to testing. It supports lifecycle hooks, allowing you to run setup and tear down code per test or per file. Snapshot testing is a breeze with Bun.js, with full support for on-disk snapshot testing and the ability to update snapshots with a simple flag. Additionally, Bun.js provides DOM APIs for simulating DOM and browser behaviors in your tests. Watch mode and function mocks. Bun.js isn't just about running tests, it's about making your testing experience more efficient. Its watch mode, activated with the watch flag, allows you to rerun tests instantly when files change. You can also mock functions with mock, or spy on methods with spy on, giving you fine-grained control over your testing process. Practical examples that illuminate. In the documentation, you'll find a treasure trove of practical examples that illuminate the capabilities of Bun.js. These real-world scenarios cover a wide range of use cases, from setting up a simple HTTP server to bundling complex projects efficiently. Each example is accompanied by clear explanations, making it easy for developers, whether they are beginners or seasoned experts, to grasp the concepts and put them into practice. How to get started. Installation is quite straightforward. Bun provides native builds for macOS and Linux, as well as an experimental one for Windows. I am using Mac so I can install it with a terminal using brew, curl or npm itself. Installation of modules is blazing fast. Bun uses a global cache. It only downloads a particular version of a package from npm once, and future installations will copy it from the cache. It installs your dependencies into node_modules like npm and other package managers, it just does it faster. You don't need to use the Bun runtime to use Bun as a package manager. Workspaces are supported out of the box. Bun reads the workspaces key from your package.json and installs dependencies for your whole monorepo. After installation, Bun creates a binary bun.log block file with the resolved versions of each dependency. The binary format makes reading and parsing much faster than JSON or YAML-based log files. Bun CLI uses commands and flags that will feel familiar to any users of NPM, PNPM, or Yarn. Now let's write a simple HTTP server using the built-in bun.serve API. First, create a fresh directory. Run bun init to scaffold a new project. It's an interactive tool. For this tutorial, just press enter to accept the default answer for each prompt. Since our entry point is a TypeScript file, Bun generates its config.json for you. If you're using plain JavaScript, it will generate its config.json instead. Open index.ts and paste the following code snippet, which implements a simple HTTP server with bun.serve. Run the file from your shell. Visit localhost 3000 to test the server. You should see a simple page that says Bun. It was very simple. What do you think? Utilities. Bun.js offers a versatile array of utilities designed to simplify a wide range of tasks in JavaScript development. From securing sensitive information like password hashing to ensuring data integrity through deep object comparison, Bun.js provides an extensive toolkit. Developers can effortlessly manage version control, manipulate file paths, and even handle data compression with ease. With utilities for encoding, decoding, and transforming various data formats, Bun.js empowers developers to efficiently tackle the complexities of modern web development, making it an invaluable companion for those seeking streamlined and efficient solutions in their JavaScript projects. Documentation. The project website hosts a wealth of valuable resources, including numerous examples and tutorials. These educational materials are designed to guide developers through the intricacies of the project, making it easier to grasp its functionality and apply it effectively in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a newcomer looking to get started or an experienced developer seeking advanced insights, the project website's collection of examples and tutorials is a valuable asset for honing your skills and achieving success with the toolkit. Conclusion. Bun.js is a game-changer for JavaScript and TypeScript developers. Its speed, elegant APIs, comprehensive toolkit, and efficient testing capabilities make it a must-have tool for modern web development. Whether you're building a small project or managing a complex monorepo, Bun.js has the power and versatility to supercharge your development workflow. Say goodbye to sluggish development and hello to the future with Bun.js. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to a channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the channel.